Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about an aquarium plant that's considered to be an easy aquarium plant, the Amazon sword. Amazon sword, or this lovely long Latin name here on screen for y'all. It originates in the extremely diverse area of the Amazon River Basin. It is found commonly in the aquarium hobby all over the world because of its sturdiness and ability to tolerate wide ranges in temperature. It is a very hardy plant, not too particular about water conditions, and considered a good beginner plant. Can tolerate a wide range of temperatures. Optimal range for these guys are going to be 68 to 75, but they can go wider either direction. Water pH should be close to neutral, around 7, but a range of 6.5 to 7.5 is acceptable. Now these are heavy root plants, so they're going to create a nice thick root system to them, so you're going to want a substrate that's at least 2.5 inches thick. Adding CO2 or root tabs, not necessarily needed, but it'll benefit. Root tabs, of course, being the better option because, again, heavy root feeders. It's not one that's typically going to get eaten by other fish, but typical tank mates for these guys are things to put in the tank if you're going to have this. Guppies, gouramis, danios, rhizosporas, tetras, of course, discus angels, things that aren't going to eat the plant. I'm going to keep mollies off this list because some of mine have eaten my plants in the past. One of the most important things is frequent water changes in there, because dirty water and polluted water can result in getting sick for your plant and dying off. So overall, I'm going to give this awesome plant here a 9 out of 10, simply because mine have a tendency to melt away and never come back, sadly. So thank you all for the continued support on the videos. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience keeping Amazon swords, and I'll see you guys next time.